Okay children, in this class we will go with the last lesson, that is India political divisions. Okay, now we will discuss about the national emblem. What is this national emblem? Our national emblem is four-headed lion. It is the symbol of our national. And name the national festivals of India. Which are the festivals we celebrate in India? That is in schools especially. We celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti in school. Do we not hoist the flag on the national festivals? What are the colors of the national festivals? Yes, we hoist the flag on the national festival and they are tricolor. Means saffron, white, green, and the middle of the flag is Ashoka Chakra and it is blue color. And each color indicates some messages to the country. For example, our flag is rectangular shape. And first, tricolor is nothing but the Tiranga, that is of saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. White color stands for peace and purity. Green is the symbol of the fertility and Ashoka Chakra is at the center of the flag. It symbolizes the progress and the movement. Our national flag represents India and has a special recognition in the international level. Okay, this is our national flag. What you have to do? You have to color it. That is saffron, green and also in the middle blue. White color is here, but the white color is already given. Okay, here is a famous song, that is Namma Bhauta, and it is a group poem and it is written by Kayyar Kinnan Rai. Okay, why this poem is famous for? This poem is famous because it speaks about the splendors of our national flag, the essence of its gender. It depicts the truth, peace and sacrifice of the great leaders like Gandhi ji, who has fought for our freedom movement. So what is this? This is the this is the pillar of the Saranath. This pillar was installed during the region of the Ashoka, the great king of the North India. The lion capital of the Ashoka with four lion aspects, as you can see. The lion is sitting on the top. Ashoka pillar. This pillar is called as the Ashoka at Saranath, has been adopted as the national emblem of the India. This is our national emblem, that is the four-headed lion. You can observe this national emblem on the coins. Yes or no children? Notes and coins, we will observe this emblem because it defines the heritage of the India. Whenever we celebrate our national festivals, we sing our national anthem. It represents the diversity and regionalism of the India. While you are singing this national anthem, we will feel very patriotic and proud. Now, art, music and literature. In India, we are having different type of the cultures that we have followed. We are having different type of the state festivals also. But the dance forms, the tradition forms, culture forms differ from state to state. As you can see here, Mohini Atta, that is famous in Kerala. Kathakali is also famous in Kerala. Ottangatal, it is famous in Odisha, and Kanipuri is famous in Assam. Bharatnatyam is famous in Andhra Pradesh. Yakshagana is famous in Karnataka state. Okay, these are the famous dance forms of the different states and they differ from the posture, expression of the dance, design, ornaments, prophecy, facial expressions, everything differ from each state. In India, discrete of all this difference, we live together, and Yakshagana is our Karnataka state's famous dance form, and it has been selected as the important one. You can see the picture here. What is this dance form is called? It is called as the Yakshagana. I have answered some questions here. Try to answer these questions. Here, collect the photo of a famous dancer of the India and paste it here, and write 3 sentences about them. You can collect anyone's. It may be Sudha Murthy. She is a famous Bharatanatyam dancer. You can collect hers also. Now we will go with the music and literature. India is rich with literature. Great artists were born here. We were having state contributions. It's music, literature, art, sports, cinema. In everything we were having different type of the achievements. The government of India rewards great responsibilities by awarding Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Bharat Ratna award. Means the art and literature field, who are the famous in art and literature field, they will be awarded with these awards. Okay, now we will see some of them. That is, Padma Shri award is given to the Egi Yogi Aryan and Jay Prakash Agarwal. Padma Bhushan K.S. Chitra and Nripandra Mishra. Padma Vibhushan S.B. Balasubramanya and Sudarshan Shaho. Bharat Ratna award is given for Bhupen Hazarika and Pranab Mukherjee. Okay, see children, here one photo is given. Who is she? She is Saina Nehwal. What she was doing? She is a very good badminton player. She has brought the gold medal to India in the Olympics. See here children, write 5 sentences about any one popular literature, sports person or the poet, writer, dancer, whichever you like. Just write 5 words about them in these lines. Whenever we are, however we are, we should cultivate patriotism. We should all came together in the name of our motherland. Indeed, India is our country, and wherever we go, what will be the main question that is asked? Which is our country. India has become independent country because of its integrity, non-violence and sacrifice. So, to make it strong nations and global level, it is our responsibility to take our India into a strong nations. Mera Desh Mahan. Thank you. I hope you have understood it.